This is DJI Flip FLY MORE, and today I'll show how you can switch between automatic and manual focus in the camera of this drone. So first things first, you will need to launch the camera view on your remote controller. Now look to the left of the shutter button here and you'll find the focus adjustments. Now you can, by tapping on this icon, you can switch between autofocus and manual focus, as well as the landscape or portrait mode if you'll scroll to the icon bar of a person or something like that. Anyway, in order to adjust focus, press and hold at this icon, and now if you will select this single dash here, and you'll see the AF, that means that you are in the automatic focus mode, or your focus is being set automatically. If you would like to manually set it, just scroll this wheel down and adjust the manual focus as you wish. As you can see at the bottom edge of this scrolling wheel, there is the portrait focus mode, and at the top, landscape. And you can change and adjust or select any value you'll find in between. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.